the third planet from the sun, on a mote of dust in a sunbeam, the only home we've ever known.
And the human spirit is rising!
Do you know they made up dinosaurs?
AIDS is a kind of a fraud. I'm gathering evidence.
They windmill anywhere near your house, and they say the noise causes cancer.
It's not fear-mongering, it's reality.
Often cited supposed globe proof is Eratosthenes, but that's not true.
Well, I've been drinking urine now for 6 years.
This must be the planet of the idiots.
The earth is flat.
Once upon a time, there was a dinosaur. A whole bunch became part of a layer of organic material.
Man with the smell of gasoline. Get the gas. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Get the gas.
President of all time, better than Lincoln, better than Washington.
Vishnu takes on his multi-armed form. Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
The great is little, the little is great, and I am here to wonder at it.
want to paint the evil-looking people. I just painted the way I would like life to be, you know.
Taking LSD, my whole brain was so heated up with all this, the imagery, and suddenly be transformed into this psychedelic expression.
Of a place once called Earth. Cherish the pale blue dot.